Hello friends, in this video we will try to discuss how to identify and drop the duplicates in Pyspark Data Frame. In the last video we have seen how to identify and drop the duplicates in SQL Server. By this time we are trying to look at it in Pyspark way. Okay, so for that we will try to take some sample CSV file under the file system. FS, let's say file store tables. So we'll try to see the file system. Okay, now we'll try to write one of the CSV file. So let's say df equal to spark dot red dot format. Let's say CSV dot option. Let's say header equal to true dot load. So we will try to take the CSV. Now df dot show will try to look the how the records are aligned. If we try to see, there are, if you try to see 1 2 3 records are repeated and 4 and 5 are the unique records which we can able to observe it. So 1 and 2 through 1 and 2 and 3 is repeated thrice as we can able to see right now. Now we will try to drop the duplicates by using drop duplicates dot show. So what this command will do, this will identify the duplicates and it will try to drop it. If we try to see, this is the original data frame, this is the after dropping remaining records has been given. So 1 2 3 and 4 and 5. So if we can able to see, 4 and 5 are the unique records, hence it was not removed, and the repeated 1 2 3 records has been removed. So this is the way, by using drop duplicate function we can able to remove the duplicates. Now let's say scenario is how to identify the duplicates. Okay, though this is the small data set which we can able to clearly sense it by just by looking. If it is thousands and millions of records, it's hard to identify. So by the time how can we capture it those, let's say df dot, let's say group by, just do it group by of df dot single columns. So rather than, so we can able to mention it based on the comma separated for all the columns, or else directly we can able to provide df dot columns. So this can be considered for all the columns. Dot count dot, let's filter if it is count is greater than 1. Okay, now let's try to look up the data. So what we are trying to do, we are grouping all the columns and taking the count, and then we are filtering if any count is repeated or repeated more than once, and we are storing into the ds variable, and then we are looking the data. So if we try to observe, as we have seen, first record is repeated thrice, second record is repeated thrice, third record is repeated thrice. If we try to look at it here, original data frame, these three records, first three records are repeated thrice. Okay, so by using group by function we can able, by using group by and filter we can able to achieve the duplicates identification in a given data frame. So this is how we can able to drop the duplicates, and we can able to identify the duplicates. That's all for today's case. If you really like this video, please do subscribe, like it and share it, and do the comment.